Okay. So, hi, dear Taurus. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is health and career reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the mid of September 2025. I'm going to do the reading for health, then job, and then for business, and then for job seekers or new business people, and then the finances. And I'm going to give you the guidance simultaneously when I'm going to do the reading. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. So let's start. For your health, Taurus, let's see how it is going to be till the mid of September. Wow, Queen of Swords. Okay, you are going to be very, very strict about your health. It's like Queen of Swords. Very, very clear cut path, very, very clear understanding of what you should be doing and what you should not be doing. And you're going to be very strict about it. You're going to be like, no, no, no. Let's say, for example, you think that now you have to quit smoking. You are going to quit smoking like crazy, like okay, you never done, as if you never done that in your life, as if you never what there in your life. Something in your like in your health is alarming. I am suffering a lot from my health issues, so I can understand what I am going through. So it might be a collective energy. So you are going to be so focused on your health that nothing else, no one else is going to be your priority. At least till the 15th of September, you're going to be like, I know what I have to do, and I'm going to exactly do whatever is required from my side to do. And that's it. That's my final decision, or that's my final choice. No one else, nothing else is going to disturb me. Okay, so if a Taurus is stubborn like this, they are going to kill it. So something in your health is telling you, alarming you to be focused on your health as much as you can from your side. Strict diet, strict routine, strict yoga structure, whatever it is. And you're going to be like, okay, let's do it. Let's be very focused. Maybe you are going to detach yourself too much from everything else and everyone else that it might hurt other people a little bit, but otherwise you are going to be super, super focused on your health. Okay, and for you, the guidance is the chariot. Okay, honey, whatever you are doing, just try to understand the pros and cons of whatever you are trying to do here, whatever you are trying to achieve here, in whatever way. Maybe whatever you are trying to achieve is a good idea, is a good goal, but the way you are doing it, or the way you are stubbornly trying to achieve something, like, oh my god, I have to do it, I have to do it. You have to relax a little bit. Otherwise, I think whatever health issue you are going through, it might get resolved, it might or might not, but you definitely are going to have some kind of stressful and anxiety kind of issues then, if you are going to be too much overdoing or too much stressed out, too much in this energy. You have to relax a little bit and understand all the pros and cons of whatever you are trying to do here. Maybe you are trying to cut something out of your life, out of your system, it's not required anymore, but don't just cut it like that, you know. Slowly but surely, take your, like, baby steps, take your time, baby steps. When I see a Taurus being impatient, it's very, very difficult for me to make them understand, because Taurus people are genuinely very slow, generally very slow, and they believe in slow and steady wins the race. So right now you might be on this path of, oh my god, I have to do it, otherwise I'm going to be like, no, 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 I have to achieve it. It's like you're making it like a race, or so, like a competition or something. Not everything is a competition, Taurus, honey. It's you, it's your health, it's your body, it's your mind. Take your time, relax, understand it properly, and take it one day at a time. You don't have to be like this, you know. Cool. Let's see what's going on for people who are working for others or doing job. We have the Knight of Swords here. So in the job area also, you are going to be a little bit restless. You are going to be hmm, it's like cutting the crap. You are going to be like, okay, enough is enough. It can be in a positive way, it can be in a negative way. You are going to be a little bit restless. You are going to be like, I have to change something. and it's high time for me to change that something, because I'm trying my best to change it from a long time. Now I'm going to do it. A little bit of restlessness, a little bit of this energy of I have to shift something, I have to change something, and this is the time I should do it. I should do it. I don't know what you're doing. You're trying to change something very quickly, as soon as possible, as quickly as possible in your job or career area. And maybe it's fixing something, maybe it's talking to somebody, maybe being a proper, being in this proper communicative energy of, okay, I have to talk to my bosses, I have to talk to the, you know, seniors or something. And you're going to be this much frustrated, like I have to do it and I'm going to do it no matter what. Little bit of restlessness and fast moving energy, very paced energy. Either something suddenly, unexpectedly, out of the blue is going to come forward towards you, and you're going to be shocked and surprised, and or you are planning to do something unexpected and shocking somebody around you. The guidance here is the Queen of Wands. So the passion, the fire, the restlessness, everything is fine. Whatever you are trying to achieve or whatever you are trying to do, Taurus, make sure it's aligning with your energies, it's aligning with your manifestation. Your action should match with your manifestation. Whatever you are trying to achieve here with this kind of energy, with this let me quickly fix it, or let me quickly uh, heal it, or whatever it is, understand that you are going to get it at the end of the day. Okay, try to understand why you are doing whatever you are doing and what you are going to get out of that. So basically think before you are going to take any kind of stupid action in any direction of your life, especially in your job area. Okay. The passion I can see, the desire to grow I can see, the desire to have something done in your life I can see, but maybe the way you are going to do it is going to be a little bit of a problem. So think before you are going to jump into anything that you should not be jumping into without having the proper conversation with yourself. Understand it properly. Let's see, for those of you who are doing their own business or self-employed, how it is going to be for you guys, Taurus. King of Swords. What's happening, Taurus? You are on a raw, or you are on fire. What's happening? Don't tell me. King of Swords. You're like, you are going to be, again, if you're a self-employed person, if you're having your own business, you are going to be very rude. You, if you have a staff, if you have other partners, you are going to be like, I don't care who is thinking what about me. I'm going to do whatever I think is right for me. So it's like you are going to have a proper plan and strategy, and you are going to stick to that plan or strategy like crazy. You're going to be like, nothing, even a small thing should not go there, here or here. It should go exactly what I want it to be. Otherwise it's not going to be good for anyone. Wow. So you have a very strict plan regarding your business thing also. Yeah, like this is how it is going to be from this point onwards in my life, and I know what I'm doing. Don't teach me, don't tell me. You don't tell me what I have to do. Okay, this is going to be your attitude regarding your work or your business, and I don't know if it is good or bad, but you are definitely going to hurt people around you by your attitude. What's wrong? What's going on, Baba? It doesn't seem good. Although this energy, this sharpness, this clarity is awesome, but again, the way you are going to do it or the way you are going to handle it is not so good. I'm not going to lie to you just to make you happy. It's not good. The guidance is the King of Wands. What's happening in your health? This was Queen of Swords, I think, and the Queen of Wands in your health, I think. No? Oh, it was for Aries, I think. Anyways, the King of Wands is your guidance before doing anything stupid, before wearing your heart on your sleeves, and before doing something ultimately stupid that you are going to regret maybe for the rest of your life. Take a step back, come back to the Taurus energy that's grounded, that's mature, that knows how to handle things, especially their work and job and career area, and then move forward. Again, your clarity is superb, your passion, your desire is superb, but the action you are going to take, or the way you are going to do certain things is not going to give you anything good in return. So think before you are going to make any kind of stupid choices. Think before you are going to take any kind of stupid actions. Otherwise, it's going to be a shit show for yourself only, and you might end up blaming the whole universe. But this is your own doing. No one else is to blame here, my darling. Okay. For those of you who are job seekers trying to find a job or starting a new business, let's see how it is going to be for you guys, Taurus. Lovers, you are going to have a choice. You are going to have a choice between two people, two situations, two circumstances, two job opportunities, two business opportunities. Opposite sex people are going to be very, very helpful for you. If you're a female, you can connect with a male for the job thing or for the business thing. They will help you. They will try to understand your energies and your point of view, and the vice versa. And there are chances that you might end up having more than one opportunity in your kitty, and whatever you're going to choose is going to be the answer for you, is going to be the start of your new journey for you guys. Hmm. Yeah, I think you guys have to make a hard choice here, very difficult choice here, very difficult decision here when it comes to the job thing or the starting a business thing. Maybe for some of you, it's going to be a choice between job or business. What should I do? That you have to figure out, and a kind of universe is going to provide you the opportunity and the energies to choose, to decide. That's a good thing. For you, the guidance is the Empress. See, whatever you are going to choose, understand that if this is something that's going to make you feel happy and excited, maybe for the rest of your life or maybe for the longest period of your time, understand all the strategies, all the pros and cons and negatives and positives. And first and most importantly, understand if this is something that's going to make you feel happy from inside, that you can do maybe again for the rest of your life. If this is something that you are seeing yourself to be doing, it's a good thing to do. If you have to force yourself to do something just for the sake of doing it, then it's not the right choice. Then you are missing the point here. We are not on planet earth to work on something forcibly. If you're not liking our own job or on our own work, it means we are lacking something here. Okay, and that's not a good thing. That's not something that we are aligned to do, meant to do. Okay, that you have to check out for and go for it. Let's see for your finances how it is going to be for you guys. Page of Pentacles, it's like slight improvements. For some of you, you are going to start investing in something brand new, and or you will be able to save a little bit more, or this is just the start of starting something brand new when it comes to your finances, financial area. Just the start of something, initiation of something. Maybe your savings are going to give you, your investments are going to start giving you good results, very slow, but it's working out, or you will be able to save a little more, bit more. Okay, for you, the guidance is the Two of Pentacles. If you're having trouble in your financial area, it's happening on and off, in and out, it's unstable, try to stabilize your energies. Try to make a plan where you are having this clarity that 20% I'm going to save or 30% I'm going to save, and whatever unstable energies you are facing in your financial area right now, you guys have to stabilize it. You guys have to have a proper plan and strategy in order to keep it going. Whether it's a small step, like for example, you are going to save 100 rupees every day no matter what, that's also a stable approach, that's also a stable thing, but you have to stabilize your energies when it comes to your money and financial area. Have a proper plan, have a proper strategy, and don't waste your money or resources on something that you know is not good for you at the end of the day. Nah? Hmm. Cool. Okay, don't be a spendthrift here. save a little bit more. Mit, I'm not able to say bit, I'm saying mit again and again. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.